So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Bpcl share. So we know since 2 days the stock was in little correction. So after the dividend, after the X date, the company has showed little bit of correction. So many people have questions related to technicals and what would be the next major regions that we need to focus. So each and everything in detail we'll try to discuss. So make sure you're watching the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so if we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Bpcl, so clearly we can observe on 17 September 55.8% deliveries were observed and the stock has closed near the 436 rupees level. So today again we have seen more than 3% downfall in Bpcl, because we know on Friday, that is 17 September was the record date. X date was 16 September. So many people have exited today. So especially people who have taken before 16. So they have exited today. So that's why the major downfall was present in the stock. So now we'll go to technical chart and we'll observe all the major regions, especially what are the next support regions that we need to focus. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical chart. So first we'll discuss in weekly chart time frame and then we'll go to daily chart. So quickly let's go to weekly chart time frame. Okay, so once you see the weekly chart clearly, we can observe a big red candle has been formed from the top. So from the 500 rupees level, we have seen profit booking in Bpcl. So whatever we have discussed in our previous videos, we clearly discussed that near term target would be around 500. So after that, you can clearly book your partial profits. And if you're willing to hold the stock for dividend, so clearly that also we have discussed, you can hold this particular stock. So what are the major things that we need to observe in this stock? So first thing is that by the year end, we know finance minister has also told that the privatization would happen. So recently also an article was published related to few companies where the privatization process would speed up. But we know Fitch has told little bit of delays would be present. So nevertheless, so the still hopes are present that the privatization would happen in a rapid pace. So definitely in short term also, the stock would give some very good return. So before giving any return, the stock first wants to go to the 415 followed by 400 rupees level. So there we can expect a very strong support present for the stock. So this is the region. So this big red candle should be compensated and nullified when it approaches the 400. So after that we can expect a smooth movement. So we should not wait till 400. In between also you can accumulate small portions of Bpcl, so that you will also have some very good quantity for short to mid-term. Okay, so this is in weekly chart time frame. So clearly the stock has come below the 50-day exponential moving average, which is around 437 rupees level. Okay, so what the money flow index is telling, so money flow index still is in the upside direction. It is not even gone to oversold because nobody is willing to sell. So many are still holding this particular stock in order to get a neutral profit and loss, or either they are waiting for the privatization movement. So these are the major things. So Bpcl is a very good stock, so time taking company, but you need to have little bit of patience. So quickly let's go to daily chart. Okay, so once you observe the daily chart time frame, so there you can see the stock itself was opened at a 200-day below the 200-day exponential moving average on the record date. So after that, simultaneously we also seen the correction, and now today it has closed near the 419 rupees level. So still it is looking little bit bearish, and first important support would be 415 followed by, after that an ultimate would be 400. So if you can wait patiently and if you can add there, definitely you can go for averaging at that particular region. So till then you can wait and watch, and coming to dividend wise, by next month definitely it will be credited, so don't worry about that. So that details also we have discussed in previous videos. Okay, so after AGM, mostly within few weeks the dividend would be credited. Okay, Okay, so next money flow index in daily chart is near 39, so little bit fall is present. So as I told, few people have exited today, so we have taken the trade 3 to 4 days before, and people who wanted to hold it after the record date also still today they have exited, and that is the major reason for the fall. And market also has dragged a little bit down, more than 1% fall was present. So completely all the factors, okay, made the stock look bearish. Okay, so these are the major things that I wanted to discuss related to BPCL. So keep holding it, nothing to worry. And if you want to average 400 to 415, so this particular region would be very, very important. And once it crosses the 436 rupees level, we can expect a smooth upside movement in the stock. So until then, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.